Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Fitness Friday. Today is a special day because it is officially our first Fitness Friday of our January challenge. So if you didn't know what that was, that means Monday through Thursday we're posting YouTube shorts every day, and we're gonna do 4 different moves in the cha-cha, and I taught them individually each day. So if you haven't yet learned those, you can actually pause this video, go learn those before you come back, and then you'll be all set to do this cha-cha with me, okay? That being said, it's gonna be a quick workout, but we're gonna use all those steps in a cute little combo, and we're gonna sweat, and it'll be fun. All right, let's get into it. Okay, ready? Starting with our side basic. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Very good. Let's do our turn. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, side basic in the middle. Turn again. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, side basic. Again, turn. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, side basic. Last turn for now. Cha-cha-cha, turn, turn, cha-cha-cha. Good. Side basic. Let's do slow and fast Cuban. Rock, 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 pause. Rock, rock, rock. Again. Rock, rock. Hold, rock, rock. Fast. Quick and quick and quick and switch. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. 1, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, basic. Good job. Just one more move. After this side basic, we're gonna go back and forward locks. Rock, step, lock, step, rock, step, lock, step. Let's do that a few times. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Okay, let's go back to our basic. Good job. Let's go through the patterns again, starting with our turn from our side basic. Cha-cha-cha. Good. Basic. Cha-cha-cha. Let's turn. Good. Basic. Cuban break. Slow. Slow, slow, side. Slow, slow, slow. Again, slow, 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 side, slow, 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 quick, quick and quick and quick and step. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, step. Back to your basic, good job. Let's do backward lock, cha-cha-cha, forward lock. Those are all our steps that we did this week, you guys. Okay. Okay, hopefully we have all of that. Now we're gonna kind of put it in a combo to this last song of the Fitness Friday, okay? Starting with our side basic, we're gonna do 4 of everything. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going into our turns. Ready? Cha-cha-cha. Again. No breaks this time. Last one, you can do it. Good. Basic to kind of recoup, and then we're doing our Cuban breaks. Ready? Slow, 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 hold. Good. Again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. Get ready. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's it. Basic. Good job. Okay. Lock steps. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. That's it, keep going. Cha-cha-cha, last time. Good. Basic. This time we'll do 2 of everything. Let's turn it out. Cha-cha-cha. Again. Basic. Next one, Cuban break. Here we go. Good. 4, 1. Fast. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha step. That's it. Basic. Okay. Lock step. Cha-cha-cha. 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 This time we're gonna finish right here. Back to the beginning, good job. Let's do that again. This time maybe no basics in between, okay? Get ready, we'll pick it up with 2 turns. Got ahead of myself there. It always gets away from me. Good job, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for doing this challenge with me. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. And if you haven't, be sure to set your notifications on and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos or shorts coming up. So that being said, Monday through Thursday next week, we're gonna do a short every single day as well. So be sure to stay tuned, and we're gonna change the dance each week, so it'll always be different, but the same kind of structure, all right? And don't forget, we have a website, ballroomfree.com, lots of things on there, partner dancing, no ads, so go check it out for yourselves. And we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.